To today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 18th September 2024. The Morse code for today is OKX, just 3 letters. First thing you do, you go to daily cipher. The first letter, which is O, you get it by doing 3 dashes. To get a dash, you hold for like a second or 2 seconds. To get a dot, you just tap once. So these 3 dashes, that's how we'll get the O. Then for the K, you do 1 dash, 1 dot, and another dash. The last letter, which is X, you do 1 dash, 2 dots, and another dash. So that's how you get the daily cipher. You then click on take the prize. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.